Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Alright guys, so I started a dangle with you guys. I was making the little charms that were going to be hanging from the dangle. So I have gone ahead and I have put some little dangles together, some little charms, and look how pretty this one looks with the crackle bead. Oh, that looks so pretty. So this is supposed to be Halloween themed. So I found my little bone in my stash and I went ahead and put a ring around it. So I wanted to show you how I made the little dangles, and they're, you know, they're real basic dangles. So I took my my head pin and I went ahead and took a bead and I put the bead on the head pin, and then I took the next bigger bead, and then of course, you know, and then the smaller bead. You can arrange these however you want. So mine isn't going to be very big, so that's the way it is. Now I went ahead and bent this over. There we go, just like that, just like that. And then I cut off, you know, about that much, leaving about 1/4 of an inch, I'm guessing. And then I went ahead and cut it. Oh, there went my bead. And then I took my round nose pliers, took this one from the tip and made that loop. I know that people that actually bead are probably cringing while I do this if they're watching. Okay, and then there we go. That is my little dangle. I think I need to straighten it out just a little bit. There we go. And then I took the jump ring and I opened it and I put my bead in there. And I shouldn't have closed all of these because I'm going to have to open them back up to put them on the chain. But I just didn't want them coming out, and you know, I'll just open them again. And there's that. And we close it again. A little bit more. I'm sorry guys, I know I wasn't in focus. Okay. And then there is my little charm. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put them on the chain. This is probably a 3-inch chain. That's what I measured. Yeah, it's about 3 inches. So I want my largest one at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and open that one up and put it on the bottom link. And I found this one in my stash, guys. I don't know where, I do not know where it came from. That's the bottom. I think I'm going to put this one there too. Hopefully there is no right or wrong way to do this. Okay, so there's the bottom of my little dangle, and then I'm going to start stringing them. I'm going to start with the largest one at the bottom, towards the bottom. And this is the largest one that we made. And I think I'm going to put it right here. And close that back up. There we go. I'm going to get the next larger one, which is the black one. Open this one up. Okay. She can't hold her hand steady today. Okay. So I'm going to probably put this one right there. And then of course, you know, I'll fill in after my larger ones are in place. that's cute. Okay, so I'm going to put this one next. I know you can't see that, sorry. I need another one hanging. You know what, I'm going to put this large ring on there because I can't hold it steady from the top. No, I don't have a clasp. I normally hang mine on my albums, so I may not even need a clasp, but we'll see. I may have to go get some though. Okay, so there's that. I need this one probably to hang on this side. I'm gonna make it go a little bit higher. Okay guys, I am going to continue to open these up and string them onto that chain that I got from Beebeecraft. And put this one right here. And we'll see what this turns out to look like. I don't know if I'm going to use all those beads that I put together, because then it may turn out to be a little too chunky. So that is the start. Oh, that's cute. All right, let me continue to put some together, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, there we go. It's not great, but it's something even a beginner can do. I mean, if I can do it, anyone can do it, believe me. There we go. There's my little bone, my flowers. There's the crackle bead. Now, I didn't want to make it too, because I feel like it needs a few more, but I don't want to make it too chunky, because on a spine of a mini album, you know, it'll be too chunky. Y'all let me know what y'all thought. I don't know. I don't know what to think. I'm not sure. But there we go, guys. Not too shabby. All right, guys, I just thought I'd bring you on for the ride and let you see what I created. I think one thing is that maybe if I had different colored beads, may have been a little bit different, or I don't know. We'll see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that clasp. Maybe I'll run out to the craft store tomorrow and get get a clasp versus just the ring. I do love the beads though. Maybe the next one I'll try is I have a lot of Christmas charms. So maybe the next one I try will be a Christmas one. It's got plenty of Christmas colors in there. There we go. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everybody later, and y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.